I'm Jim Reisman, and I'm the general manager of Mel Pierce Camera, a camera store located in Hollywood since 1946. We compete very aggressively both on eBay and on Amazon to make sure that we're positioned at the top of the list as much as we can. Before we used ShipRush, we were handling all of our sales channels separately. We had a protocol for eBay, one for Amazon, and one for in-store and on-web sales. Now we can go to one console on a computer and see all of our orders there, prioritize them, get out the rush orders, get out the orders in queue. ShipRush has a bulk shipping system, and it is so efficient and allows us to ship so many packages in such a short time that it's been a game changer here. ShipRush has made it possible for us to grow from about 50 to 60 packages a day to where now we can do as many as 250 packages a day. And my choice of ShipRush has to do with the ease of use and the customer service. We were able to implement ShipRush very, very quickly, and the implementation of it in my business has made an enormous difference in our ability to do business on Amazon and on eBay.